For this project, we're going to do a landscape and we're going to incorporate a photograph with it. So let's first open a new canvas and we're going to grab a pencil, sketching, and I like to use the 6B pencil. I'm going to my brush, and in artistic, I have a brush I really like called Larapuna. Just doing it right on the same layer. Now let's put a little white in there, not totally white, but a little bluish white. Now I'm going to go to my color dot and I want this to be a little bit redder, a little bit more yellow. There's some of that kind of chamisa that they have there in New Mexico. Now let's take our drawing away. And you can see we've got a pretty good start for our abstract landscape here. Now I'm going to change it up and I'm going to work with the 6B pencil. That smudge tool is so handy for this. Just defines those that foliage so it doesn't look like a blob. And I'm going to do that in a new layer. And I want that layer to be below the foliage, so I'm going to grab that and pull it below. And there you have it. That is a landscape created with multiple layers and with your soft pastels and your 6B pencil.